Natural disaster May 29, 2022. Disaster hit Italy. Hurricane and hail breaks the city of Cremona. Hurricane-force wind gusts and huge hailstones caused chaos and destruction in the Italian commune in Cremona, Italy. The hailstones released by the clouds, as large as tennis balls in some cases, considerably damaged cars, house window frames and agricultural crops. Although they only lasted a few minutes, the damage was impressive between the Umbriano district of Crema and Vagnolo Cremasco, where the Bennett shopping center was particularly affected. In addition to hail, hurricane-force wind gusts also caused chaos and destruction.